Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about a Sol USDT trading pair with my customer Garcia. What's going on now? Let's dive in. All right, guys. We grab all this liquidity under 110. Also, guys, keep in mind just a small tip: when you see some tokens stop it at the round number, usually we come back and grab that liquidity, because the same story with the BTC. BTC stop at 110. Round number 000 is almost impossible. So imagine the amount of limit orders to sell at that point. So it's just psychological tricks. So the people all the time add a limit order to buy or to sell, at the round numbers, right? So take a look. We grab that liquidity, drop it down to order block, weekly time frame order block. So I highly recommend you go and check the order block video, educational. So we drop it, also sweep it the liquidity lows and bounce it. And next step, guys, I explained it. We tested 23 level FIB. This FIB we track since the November 21. And next step and support, it's 75.35. It's zero level. I don't think so. We will drop that low. Basically, no makes sense, but everything possible. Yesterday or a few days ago, you saw example with the OM. Of course, I don't think so. The Sol is something similar to Mantra, but just in case, guys. Don't be trapped. Don't be trapped, and all the time work with the proper money management and risk management. So the next target, my take for Sol, I truly believe in all-time high for Sol. I truly believe in some positive, for market, right? 373, 558. So it's a global targets for Sol. Locally, guys, take a look. If you want to open a long position, for example, would it be good to see the drop and the test of 112? So this low, right? So we can sweep it. So this is going to be the best case scenario. If we will see something like this one, this is going to be the head and shoulder pattern, and we going higher over than this high. Technically, we need to sweep this high, to build a uptrend structure. So this one. So this is the best case scenario locally. Take a look how it can be. So this is a impulse down, and this is the last low. We should breaking out this structure. I will make a video about break of structure. We have to breaking out this structure downtrend with retest like this one, or a little bit lower, form the head and shoulder pattern, and go higher. The target will be around 189 over than this liquidity pool. So just in case, guys, this is a lowest point. If you want to open a long position, so of course, much better, open something like this one. 16% stop loss is kind of big one. So I'm not touching the Sol now. I'm not touching. If you want to accumulate on the spot, of course, the best zone, it's 75.35, 42.13, 25.52. Pretty simple, guys. Let's double check with indicator set, guys. What's going on now with the Sol? This is like a middle line. So this was accumulation on the weekly. It's a good one. Finally, Sol drop it here all this period since October 23 till January 25. We traded in the A3 zone. Now we landed since the beginning of March till end of March into capitulation zone. Now we bounce it. Now it's kind of like disbelief, but this is not a distribution zone. Not a distribution zone on the weekly, if we talk about a weekly time frame. That's why, yes, we got all chances, push the price higher to the top again, for example, and start form a divergence. Divergence can be like this one. And what do we can't know? We can't know the time. For example, it can be like this. October 25, it can be the top. So something like this one, divergence, and the same story can be here. Signals to out of the Sol, Afria signals to out of the Sol. So it's just my take for Sol. It's just my idea, right? I believe in new all-time high. I believe some of Sol meme tokens will perform pretty good one again. Not maybe to new all-time high, but like BOM, BONK, WEAF can perform pretty good one. It's just my humble opinion. Money power. There was a lot of signals to out of Sol. Now we dump it to the bottom here, but without a money inflow. Money inflow last one was in December 22. But imagine, compare the prices. It was like $8. Now we traded 131. But we almost at the same level at the bottom, but without a money inflow. So we will see. We will see how it goes. Trade on. Sell, drop, no signal to buy back like it was here. So technically now nothing. Daily here, it was sell, close position, buy, bounce, come back here. So no new signal to buy. So basically this one at 121, it's at 27, it's still relevant. No signal to sell or so. Can we see the new low? Yes, of course. But we can see buy for example, and go higher. Take a look at the take profit indicator, guys. Daily, yes, we tested the buy line. The reward can be open to 220 to take profit line. Exit line 247, just in case. 12 time frame, guys. Buy line is 86.54. Fundamental value of the stock is 64.79. Take profit, it's 171. So this is what I talk about. So we can see something like this one. Break this structure. Retest. Buy line can be here. Form the head and shoulder pattern reversal move and go higher. So this is the best case scenario. I showed you not just like in theory the hypothetical scenarios. I showed you the exact targets where we can pump and stop. What to do now, it's only up to you guys. I'm not touching Sol. I'm not touching Sol. For me, Sol at 131 is still expensive. Still expensive, even for the spot, guys. Now, if we compare with a lot of other altcoins, a lot of alts in a much more better position for investment for its spot, less risk, you know, and that, take a look. You remember a weekly time frame, we go into buy line, but we didn't test it. So 88.59, it's a buy line on a weekly. Should we test or not? It's hard to say. We'll see. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about targets for Sol. If you'd like to trade with my customer because I was showed in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.